Hello and welcome back to The Hard Way. My name is Josh, and behind me is the transmission we're going to be pulling out for our International Cabover semi project. So this is the parts semi truck, and I need this transmission because it's a nice 13-speed, and the one that I had in the original semi over there was only a 9-speed. So it'll be a nice little upgrade for us. I think everything works just fine on this transmission. Drove it back from the auction yard just fine. So to pull this transmission, I first need to get this cross member off. This is the rear cab support cross members, so get that pulled. And I've already pulled one of these now because I pulled the one out of the other truck, so it's fairly simple. Yeah, we'll get started. Okay, I need to get the power steering reservoir off. Okay, I have the second transmission ready to pull. I went ahead and used a breaker bar just to gently loosen up all these bolts first. So I had one that I had to fight for quite a while. So hopefully I don't break anything off in this one. Yeah, we will take all the bell housing bolts off, and then we'll just balance our load using the chain hoist, and we'll get this thing pulled out. So I'm going to start with pulling all the bell housing bolts on the bottom. Okay, let's see if she breaks free.